Today I'm going to show you how to get free point-of-sale POS software from Sama Smart Solutions. First, open your browser and type sama3s.ae in the address bar, then hit enter. Next, right-click on the Download Now button and select Save Link As. Once your download starts, click the Keep button in your download section. Now go to your Downloads folder and click on Sama3s as Setup to start the installation. Click Next to continue the setup process and finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the Sama 3S application. On the main screen, select your business type and enter your business details. You'll also need to set up a PIN for secure access. Now, you'll be taken to your main screen, where you can add your products. If you need any help, feel free to check out our YouTube channel for step-by-step tutorials. Press Continue and select your preferred payment method to complete the checkout. This is what your receipt will look like. That's it! You're all set up with your free point-of-sale software from Sama Smart Solutions. Now you can manage your business more efficiently and seamlessly. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your business.